Motherfucking naughty boy coming through again. I come like a friend request. Click, click, send. Who the fuck is that? Oh my god, yes it's him. Oh no, you lose. And yes, yes I win. I sit on my throne like motherfucking king. Your mouth still flapping like some motherfucking wings. Try to find the hidden object in this magazine. Or maybe check your pockets, cause I think you's a thief. Cough, sneeze, blow like a breeze. Gangsters don't walk, we motherfucking lean like cuisine. Drop, drip like Visine. Make you see the things you never seen. All the possibilities. I got a bitch, psych, no I don't. But I had your bitch and I like the way she choke. Sniff, sniff like coke, just my allergies. Sneeze on me, I think I better leave. But if I stay, then you must go. Cause I'm gonna do some tricks like a fucking magic show. Now you're scared, cause you run like ho. You won't get far, cause you run too slow. Breaker, breaker, calling naughty boy. I got that crunch, like Chips Ahoy. No matey over here, cause direction I will steer to the club to drink some liquor, cause we don't fuck with beer. Yes, yes, got no tats on my chest. Do your best, and I say motherfuck the rest. You don't need no stress, don't be sad, no depressed. On the streets I will protest, I will clean up all your mess. Sweep, sweep, class is now in session. Don't be acting cruel intentions, you will get detention. Just for future reference, did I forget to mention that I smell a rat? It must have ran that way towards the mousetrap. Chuck E. Cheese, no cheese for me. What you said you seen is what I thought it'd be. What you said you saw is what it really be. I'ma have to take a chance on people I will be, and there I'll get everything that I fucking need. Dig, dig, dig. Got no time for silly play, and they will be searching like kids on Easter Day. My Glock so hot, hot, fresh out the oven. No cookies baking in there, cause I leave that to my cousin. Smile, smile, cheery, cheery. You're getting wiki, wiki, and you're feeling weary. Motherfucking naughty boy, still trying to maintain. You already rolled the dice, now you got to play the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You pick up that stick, and I pick up this brick. Weigh it, scale it, put it in the trunk. Send it off for shipping, and then I will be done. Money, 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 dollar signs in my eyes. Sparkle, 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 got you all hypnotized. You won't say shit, oh yes I will come. You got a dirty mouth, clean it up with organ scum. I'm so sick with this shit, I must got the flu. You got that itchy scratchy, I'ma call you Baloo. You got a fucking problem, I will crunch you like chips. You're acting like a baby, go suck your mama's tits. Split like banana and sit on my dick. And after I am done, like boogers I will flick you away from me, cause you's a quick ass fix. Now go do your makeup, cause bitch you look like shit. I float in the air, cause I get so high. So high, I can touch the fucking sky. If you see a shooting star, that's me flying by. Close your fucking eyes, make a fucking wish. No crying in this game, you got to take the pain. And if you let it get to you, you will go insane in the brain. Call her Mary Jane, she will fix everything and you will fly like clay. Motherfucking naughty boy, rapping my set. Naughty boy entertainment, don't you forget. We're rising to the top, and that I can bet. Don't be a lame ass, haters will regret.